Okay, in this lesson, we're gonna add more products to give our website better view in the front page and in the shop page. So we're gonna do that by going to new from here, big products. We're gonna start with a tie. Those are gonna be simple ones, simple products, not variable ones. Suits. I'm gonna put the category in suits, and here's our long description and our short one. I'm gonna give it a price in here, maybe 100, and let's give it a discount as well. Let's set product image. Let's make that tie, for example. And product gallery, we're gonna give it another picture. It's not the same one, but like for demonstration only. Okay. Product tags, suits, tie, maybe, and accessories. Now let's publish our product. Check it out in here. Let's add another product. Now we're adding products to give our website better look in the slider section and product section in front page. We're gonna see that now, how it looks like. Now let's put aviator sunglasses. Now it's being added. Let's go to our home page, and as you can see, this is our banner section, and in this is the product section with that title. We wrote that one in the beginning. You can change it. It's not relevant now because like the jacket doesn't have a discount. We can change that to anything you would like. And here's our slider section. With more products, it's gonna be sliding products automatically. So like we're gonna add more products to see it working. Let's go ahead and add more products. So I've added more products, and as you can see, it's sliding. Let's visit our home page and start customizing our product section and slider section. Now it's showing all the categories. As you can see, all the products we made are in the product section. We can choose to show specific products or even some categories or the ones on the sale, and the slider is showing everything as well, and it's automatically sliding the products. And the more products you have, the more you're gonna see it working better. You can see it sliding. It looks really nice and really cool. Okay, now we're gonna go to customizing our products from customize in here. And let's choose front page section and product section, and we have our title. You can change that, and it's displaying everything. So let's make it discount items to be more relevant to that, or you can call it anything. This is just an example, okay? And here you can choose the categories. You can choose only accessories or suits. Let's make it on accessories only, for example. And now if you want to show only the suits, or you can make another category and call it sale, for example, and you can show that only in the product section if you are interested in doing that for your marketing strategy. For the slider section, you can do the same and choose specific categories, but I prefer to leave it showing everything we have. It looks nice and it's demonstrating your products and showing them to the visitors. Now let's visit our shop page and see how it looks like after creating some products. As you can see, all the products are being shown in here, and you can choose how to sort them even by newness or the price, high to low or low to high, or whatever you'd like. or even by average rating. If you open the rating for the products when you were making the products, you had the option to open the rating for the visitors. So it's totally up to you. Okay guys, now you really deserve a break. Go ahead, go take some break. We almost did most of the job for our website. Congrats for reaching that far. All we're gonna do later is few stuff to finish our website, and even after we're gonna customize it, but you did most of the hard work. Congrats guys, and go apply what you've learned. Your active task is to add more products and customize your products in homepage. That was Khalil Ibrahim with you. Hope you enjoyed that one, and see you in next lesson. Bye.